You can enhance your home aesthetic with pallet wood. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing project of pallet wood to add a beauty to your home decor. When it comes to adding a touch of natural charm and rustic beauty to your home, few materials can match the versatility and appeals of pallet wood. Here is our new video in our playlist. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. We are back again with another amazing video. So if you have any type of suggestion, you can ping us in our latest video comment box. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Derived from the sturdy wooden pallet commonly used in a shipping and storage, repurposing this humble material can unlock a world of creative possibilities. In this video, we will explore how incorporating pallet wood can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space, offering a unique and environmental friendly way to enhance the beauty of your home. Pallet wood possesses a distinct character and the individuality that can instantly transform any room. Its whether texture, rich patina, or a unique marking tell a story of its previous life, adding a authentic and organic feel to your interior design. Each piece of pallet wood carries its own history and contributes to the overall charm and the personality of your home. One of the most compelling reasons to incorporate pallet wood into your home decor is its eco-friendliness. By repurposing discarded pallet, you are contributing to the reduction of waste and promoting sustainability. Choosing pallet wood for your project aligns with the principle of recycling and upcycling, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Pallet wood versatility now have no bound. For ancient wall to the furniture decorative element, there are countless ways to incorporate into your home. An ancient wall made of pallet wood can become an eye-catching focal point, adding warmth and the texture to the living room, bedroom, or studies. Additionally, pallet wood can be crafted into shelves, tables, and headboard, or even picture frame, infusing your space with a touch of rustic elegance. Pallet wood allow for endless customization operations, empowering you to tailor your home decor to suit your personal style. You can choose to leave the wood in its natural weatherhead state for a rustic look and sand and finish it to achieve a smoother and the more refined appearance. Staining the wood offer opportunities for explore different colors schemes, allowing you to match the existing palette to your home or create a bold constructing elements. Home improvement projects often come with a hefty price tag, but pallet wood offer a budget-friendly alternatives. Acquiring pallet can be relatively expensive, and with a bite of creative and the do-it-by-yourself skills, you can transform them into a stunning addition to your home. By repurposing pallet, you can achieve a high-end custom look without breaking the bank. Pallet wood is not a limited interior application. It can also add charm and elegance to your outdoor spaces, from creating a unique garden furniture to building a cozy pergola or constructing stylish deck. Pallet wood can help you to extend your home aesthetic beyond its wall. It's naturally durable and make it sustainable for various weather conditions. Make it a reliable and long-lasting option for outdoor projects. By incorporating pallet wood into your home decor, you can unlock a world of creative possibilities. Its unique characters, versatility, and the eco-friendly nature make it an excellent choice for those seeking to add a beauty and charm to their living space. Whether you choose to embark on a large scale project or incorporate small ancient pieces, Pallet would offer affordable and sustainable way to create a home and execute rustic elegance and the personal style. Embrace the beauty of pallet wood and let its natural allure enhance your home. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a